G'day guys, it's Craig here from White Magic. Thanks for your purchase of the White Magic indoor-outdoor dustpan and broom set. Let me take you through how to assemble it and how to get the best use out of it. So I've taken all the pieces out of the set here. We've got the two broom heads, the handle for the broom, the handle for the dustpan and the dustpan. So let's take you through the dustpan first. So to make the dustpan handle, it's very easy. You slide the plastic connector together, and then you have to make a decision whether you'd like a 70 centimeter handle or a 1 meter height handle. So I'm going to make the 70 centimeter handle first, just to show you what that looks like. This is great for smaller people, probably from 5 foot to 5'8", because it gets up about 70 centimeters off the ground, which means when you drop your hand to your side, you can find it quite easily. For me, I'm about 6 foot. I'd probably prefer a little bit higher, so when I drop my hand, I can grab the whole handle, not just the top. So I would prefer to make the 1 meter length. So let's do that. Okay, now we've got a 1 meter length, so it's really easy to grab from my hip so I can move it from A to B. It's got a nice soft grip to make it easy to hold. It's got a storage loop on the end. The dustpan's got some quite unique features. First, it's got some cleaning teeth. These are great for passing the broom heads through to knock off debris. It's got a nice contoured lip that goes to the floor and makes sweeping in very easy. The actual bottom of the dustpan has two layers. It's got a higher layer and a lower layer. The reason for that is when you're ready to empty it, you tip it to the lower side, all the debris goes into that corner, and then you can empty it, pour it through the lower side, and it goes more accurately into rubbish bins. You've also got two windows here, which are great for looking at debris, so you know when it's time to empty. And you've also got the ability to stand the dustpan upright for storage purposes. That's about a 13 centimeter width, so it can fit into gaps around 13 centimeters wide. Also, you connect your broom to the connector here, and the whole operation stands up neatly. It's also got a ability to stand up with a flat bottom, so that's nice and secure, and it's not going to come off that stand very easily. Okay, that's the dustpan. Let's go through the brooms. So for the broom heads, you've got two types. You've got the indoor head and the outdoor head. The indoor head is referenced by the red trim. It's got split bristles on each of the end of the bristles. That helps to create thousands of little fingers to sweep fine particles like dust, dander, sand to the dustpan. The outdoor head has more taunt, non-split bristles, so each of these bristles are just straight, and this takes the rigors of sweeping things like leaves, dirt, twigs, bark to the dustpan. So much stronger and won't get tangled with outdoor mess. All right, let's put together one of the broom heads. So for the broom heads, you have your choice of 90 centimeters, 1.1 meters, and 1.38 meters in length. So I'll make the 90 centimeter handle first. So this is a great little size to do a sweep off your hip. So a hip sweep, great for quick jobs rather than doing large jobs with a stand-up broom. The next height is the 1.1. This is potentially a full-length broom for a smaller person, such as a child, or a smaller person between 5 foot to 5'5". You can put your left hand here, right hand here, and do a sweep. Or for a taller person, 6'2", 6'4", this would be a good broom to do a sweep off your hip. So an option there. And then finally, the 1.38 meter option, put in the final piece. These pieces are nice and strong, and they go together very tightly, and they won't come loose during use. This is the perfect height for me to do a stand-up sweep. I've got my left hand on the nice foamy grip and the right hand in the center, so I can now sweep in the upright position easily. You've got your storage loop on the end for easy storage. Nice, durable, lightweight, powder-coated steel fixtures here. And you've got a head that can actually pivot. So when you're sweeping, you have it in the upright position, but if you wanted to get under and around things, you can go 90 degrees to the left, or you can go 90 degrees to the right. This enables you to find the perfect angle to sweep under and around anything that comes in your way. The heads are easily removable. Just simply press that button to remove and to interchange from, in this case, outdoor to indoor. You'll also notice that it comes with these little cloth grippers here. So these cloth grippers are perfect to make this into a dusting handle. You find a cloth around the 32 to 35 centimeter mark. This is one of our all-purpose cloths that are 32 by 32 centimeters, and this will fit tightly onto the cloth gripper. It goes around and it pins either side inside, and then you can use this for dusting high, low, anywhere in between. Okay guys, thanks for listening. If you have any questions, please contact us at White Magic HQ. Happy sweeping.